I'm Pantera Blacksmith, and you want to deadlift. Well, there's a few things that you're going to have to do before you can deadlift. So, enjoy my videos, and I hope to see you in the future.
Wow, man. Wait a second, man. What do you think the teacher's gonna look like this year?